bursting wide. Now beautify the tree and make a springtime picture that is beautiful to see. Oh, fragrant, lovely blossoms, you make a bright bouquet. If I but break your branches from the apple tree today. But if I break your branches and make your beauty mine, you bear no fruit in season when severed from the vine. When we cut ourselves away from guidance that's divine, our lives will be as fruitless as the branch without the vine. For as the flowering branches depend upon the tree to nourish and fulfill them till they reach futurity, we too must be dependent on our Father up above, for we are but the branches and He's the tree of love. But if I break your branches and make your beauty mine, you bear no fruit in season when severed from the vine. When we cut ourselves away from guidance that's divine, our lives will be as fruitless as the branch without the vine. Apple blossoms bursting wide, now beautify the tree. Apple blossoms bursting wide.